Law enforcement officers have to deal with life or death situations daily, where there's no room for errors. But what happens when the police mess up and arrest the wrong person? Starting with Aaron, a man who was falsely accused of robbing a bank and shooting someone in the head.
You're not going to tell me how to talk, all right?
You shut your motherfucking mouth!
On April 23rd, Grand Junction police received a horrifying phone call.
How many did you hear?
Probably 4 or 5.
The incident occurred early in the morning on Horizon Drive. Later on, Aaron stopped at a gas station to buy some groceries. But unfortunately for him, the gas station was located on Horizon Drive.
I went to a gas station this morning to grab some stuff, and they were saying there was a shooting at 3 o'clock in the morning. So they have traffic blocked going out on the 70. So we might want to look to see if that's going to impact our route.
Unbeknownst to Aaron, his day was about to take a turn for the worse. Following a pit stop at the gas station, he headed back to his hotel with the intention of charging his phone. On his way, he missed an exit and decided to make a U-turn, using his blinker to signal his maneuver. Little did he know that this seemingly harmless action would lead him right into a police blockade. Aaron parked his car for a brief 5 minutes, waiting for his friend to arrive. It was at this very moment that Aaron's day took an unexpected twist when he was approached by the police.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Would you mind rolling down your window real quick?
No. What do you need?
I need you to identify yourself.
No, why?
Because
All right.
you're leaving the area
Hold on.
where
Hold
a
on.
shooting occurred. Okay, well, can you please roll down your window more so I
No.
can talk to you?
No. What do you need?
All right, well, I need to identify you.
No, you do not.
My name is Officer Posadas with the Grand Junction Police Department. And this is my corporal right here. This is Corporal Church
Okay.
as well.
Okay.
All right, so I need you to identify yourself.
No, that's not how it works. I have rights as an American citizen, right?
Aaron knows his rights, and he is well within his rights to refuse to identify himself. However, exercising this right might not always be the best idea. Nevertheless, in this particular situation, Aaron was determined to assert his rights, a decision that clearly did not sit well with the police officer. It was at this point things escalated quickly.
Do not have articulable suspicion that I've done anything.
I actually do.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Possible attempted homicide.
You suspect me, actual me, of committing possible attempted homicide.
Well, your cooperative behavior right now does not help your cause.
No, I've done absolutely nothing. I pulled into a gas station because my friends are here, because we're going
Keep
to...
an eye, they're associated.
Meanwhile, another cop approached Aaron's friends to confirm if his name really is Aaron, which turned out to be true, and it matches up with the vehicle's registration. Officer Posadas sought to provide some clarity on why Aaron had been identified as a suspect.
You're leaving the area of a crime
Exactly.
with a similar colored vehicle, similar nature to the description.
Of what description of that vehicle did you get?
I got a dark and colored sedan. 2 people also stated that one of the suspects may be of African American descent.
So according to the officer, there are 2 reasons why Aaron initially became a suspect. He's a black man behind the wheel, and he is driving a similar vehicle to the description. However, the situation takes a peculiar turn as we dig deeper. In the official report, it was later revealed that there were actually 2 suspects, one white and one black. Furthermore, a more detailed description of the vehicle closely matches the one driven by Aaron's friends. It becomes increasingly apparent that the police may be overlooking crucial details and unjustly singling out Aaron. This becomes even more evident as they permit his friends to leave the scene while detaining Aaron without a clear reason.
My buddies that just left, they were also in a dark sedan. But you aren't stopping them and questioning them.
Okay, well, I'm sorry that
Nope.
sorry that you
Shut
feel
your
that way.
out. I don't want to
You're not going to tell me how to talk, all right?
You shut your motherfucking mouth.
Corporal, come up here. It's not working.
Why are you not cooperative?
Because I don't have to be cooperative with your investigation.
Well, you have to ID yourself.
No, I do not. Tell me why I have to ID.
Well, Colorado state law says you do.
I want you to explain why I, me as a person, have to ID to you.
Colorado state law says you do.
Colorado law requires you provide police your ID if the officer stops you on suspicion that you committed a crime or if you get pulled over for an alleged traffic violation.
I want you to explain why I, me as a person, have to ID to you.
Colorado state law says you do.
The police officers persist in asking for Aaron's name, even though his friends have already confirmed it and realizing it matches the name on the vehicle. However, the most ironic moment in this entire interaction unfolds when Aaron decides to ask for the sergeant's name.
What's your name and your badge number? What's your name and your badge number?
Well, I'm not going to give that to you.
You have to.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
You are a public servant. I'm asking for your name and badge
You also have
number.
to give me your name.
No, I do not.
Okay. So you wanted me to explain to you why I'm asking for you to identify yourself?
Yes.
Because we had an incident happen here?
Wait, hold on. First,
Okay.
please
Sorry.
give me your name and your badge.
Okay, well, no, I won't give you that right now.
What do you mean you won't?
The sergeant refuses to give his name. This is a sign of unprofessional behavior or misconduct, as they may not want to be held accountable for their actions. But the ability to request an officer's name and badge number is often protected by law. The Grand Junction Police Department requires police officers to identify themselves upon request. All officers shall identify themselves by name and badge number when interacting with the public. In the official police report, the cops claimed that the reason they suspected Aaron was because of the U-turn he made, claiming he didn't use a turn signal for the maneuver. But that was quickly disproved thanks to Aaron's dashcam footage. An internal affairs investigation was initiated into the officers present at the scene. Surprisingly, the investigation concluded that no wrongdoing had occurred and that the officers conducted themselves perfectly. Next up, Clarence Evans, a man who was on his front lawn with his son and daughter when a cop pulled up and claimed that his dog didn't belong to him. While Evans explained he had the paperwork for his dog, the cop asked for his ID, which he refused. The wife was frightened at that point and started recording the interaction.
Even know my name and tell him I have a warrant?
What did he do?
That's what I'm saying.
For what?
For what?
From Louisiana.
For what?
For what?
I don't even live in Louisiana, so how would I have a... You don't know my name, so how can you tell me I have a warrant in Louisiana?
Sir.
Stop.
Clarence,
Calvary
hold on.
coming.
Okay, well, you know, you just pulled up in front of my house, and then... I don't trust, because you shaking like you scared or something.
Pulling.
Okay.
I don't trust you, you shaking like you scared.
He don't live in
No,
Louisiana.
I don't even live in Louisiana. How the hell would I have a warrant in Louisiana?
Quentin, you already said your name was that.
My name is not Quentin. What the f is wrong with you? Nah,
Sir, his name is
my
not
name
Quentin.
Quentin.
Texas law says you don't need to provide ID to police unless you're being arrested. The cop referred to Evans as Quentin Prejean, a man who was wanted in Louisiana on 2 felony warrants. Constable Mark Herman allegedly had information stating that Prejean was walking in the same area where Evans and his family lived.
No,
Clarence.
no, I'm not gonna be the next you feel?
No.
No.
His name is not
My name is
Quentin.
not no Quentin.
Let's do this and be done. I got no probable cause. I got
You
your
just
picture.
stopped in front of my f***ing house.
Yes, I know who you are.
It's you know, what's my name? Man, f*** that. You shaking like you scared. I'm not gonna let you put me in handcuffs.
Please stop. Stop. Please stop.
My name is not no f***ing Quentin. You don't even know my name and tell me I got a warrant in Louisiana?
Okay. Yes. You want
Do I look
to
like a...
You want me to
Show
show
me
you
the
the
picture.
picture?
Show me the picture.
Okay, wait.
Just walk with me.
Nah, I'm not
Walk with me.
No.
Tell him walk with
Please,
me.
he's not going nowhere. He's not going nowhere.
I need your supervisor or
I am
somebody
the
else.
supervisor. Come on.
Well, let me see your stripes.
Chevron stripes on the shoulder indicate the wearer's rank. 1 stripe indicates a senior officer, 2 for a corporal, and 3 for a sergeant.
Let's walk in here to front of the car.
No, you're not
Walk
gonna give me
to
to
the
your
front
car.
Sir,
No,
sir.
put my yard on my property. That.
Calm down. Just calm
You
down.
stop. You stop.
Who are you looking for?
That's
His
what I'm
name
saying. My
is
name
not
no
Quentin.
Quentin.
Let me see your
You
ID.
think I'm from because I got dreads or something?
No.
You just pulled up in front of my fucking house
What?
and told me I got a warrant in
Dog
Louisiana.
walking.
So what? That's my fucking dog.
That's our dog.
See,
That's our dog. Go
You
in the house.
Look, man,
Sir, that's our dog.
don't you touching me while you shaking. You need to step back and calm down. No, that. Like,
Get my phone out of the car.
There you got him running.
Get my phone out of the
Calm down. Calm down.
Evans was detained by Officer Garrett Lindley until another cop arrived, saying Mr. Evans was not a suspect. But even after that, Lindley refused to believe he wasn't a fugitive.
No, that don't look like
That's
me.
not
What's
him.
wrong with you, man? What you trying to say? Because I got dreads and I'm black, that's me?
No.
That's not
Oh,
him.
you she can see that's not me from
Oh
over
my
there.
God.
Let me see
No,
your ID.
what?
Stop.
This is when Officer Lindley realized he just made a big mistake, as he took Mr. Evans' wallet by force and pulled out his ID.
No, please. No, please. That is not him. Please leave him alone.
Man, get out my
I
yard,
need to
man.
report on this.
The officers left after Evans turned out to be a completely innocent gentleman in his front yard spending time with his family. Later on, Constable Herman went out insisting that Lindley was doing his job by responding to a warrant and assisting with its execution.
We got a call, and as police officers, we don't get to choose if we go to a police call for service or not. We have to go. We have a duty, we have an oath.